When performing customer support activities, it is often the case multiple screens of customer information are needed to be accessed. This can be stressful for the employee and a poor customer experience for the customer due to delays. A single, easy-to-read 360 view of the customer information is desirable. We will use Agent Builder to create such a 360 view. This is Agent Builder. We've selected our model and given our project a name. We'll look at the arguments. These are the input arguments being provided by the telephony system, the customer service agent details, the customer query, the customer emotion, and a customer ID. Notice we've provided strong descriptions for each of these inputs. On the outputs, we are wanting the known outages, suggested next steps, a telephone script, suggested online guides, the last known support ticket, and also the financial status of the client. For the system prompt, I have told the agent how it is to behave. And on the user prompt, I have guided the AI agent onto the goals I wish it to perform. You can see I've given it several actions to take, and these are collecting the 360 information from the different back-end systems. And notice I am injecting the input data using the curly brackets on the input arguments I created earlier. So now we'll take a look at the tools the agent has access to. We have a Salesforce CRM lookup to get the basic customer information, a Tivoli Netcool lookup to find any outages in the area. The financials are brought back from SAP. We interrogate a library for matching documents, and also we get the latest support tickets from ServiceNow. We will run a test. Now, the data would normally come from a telephony system. However, we are manually inputting it here for our test run. So we will now execute the agent. The agent, as it tries to achieve the goals I've set it, will decide which tools to run and in which order. And you can see here that they're being executed. The data is then used by the agent in order to perform its goal achievements. So let us take a look at the execution of the tool set. Here we can see for Salesforce, we've passed in a customer ID, and the RPA tool has returned a JSON of the customer details from Salesforce. The agent was able to then take the known address of the client and use that in the Tivoli callout. Notice that the input to Tivoli is the address or the city. In this example, there were no known outages in that area. While the agent was able to understand JSON from the different systems, we can see here the output of known outages, suggested next steps, the telephone script, suggested online guides. It is all written in easy-to-read plain English. So this easy-to-read 360 view of our customer can be passed back to our operator for easy reading on their portal.